You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this phrase in English, and I'm pretty sure you're looking at how to pronounce the adjective. Crocodile is how you say the name of the animal. If you want to learn more confusing animal names, make sure to stay tuned. There are two different ways of pronouncing this adjective. Estuarine, or estuarine. Yes, both pronunciations are used and correct. Estuarine or estuarine. Crocodile. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.